Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth, and their survival depends on a unique set of needs that go far beyond just food and water. These intelligent and social creatures have complex requirements related to their environment, diet, social structure, and physical well-being. Understanding these needs is essential for conservation efforts, especially as human activity increasingly threatens their habitats. For an elephant, home isn't just any open space. It's a habitat that offers enough resources to support their massive bodies. Elephants live in a variety of environments, including savannas, forests, grasslands, and swamps, depending on the species. African savanna elephants prefer open grasslands with scattered trees, while African forest elephants live deep in tropical rainforests. Asian elephants often inhabit grasslands and forest edges. Regardless of the type, a good habitat must provide ample vegetation for food, water sources for drinking, bathing, and cooling, migration routes that allow movement between feeding and water areas. When their habitat shrinks due to deforestation, agriculture, or urban expansion, elephants struggle to find enough resources, leading to conflict with humans and decreased survival rates. A full-grown elephant eats an astonishing 200 to 600 pounds, 90 to 270 kilograms, of plant matter daily. They are herbivores, meaning their diet consists entirely of vegetation, but they need variety to get all the nutrients their bodies require. Their menu includes grasses, especially in the wet season, leaves and twigs from shrubs and trees, bark, a source of fiber and minerals, fruits when available, roots and bulbs during dry seasons. Because they eat so much, elephants spend up to 16 hours a day feeding. Their constant need for food makes habitat quality and size crucial. Without enough vegetation, starvation becomes a real threat. Water is essential for elephants, not only for drinking but also for regulating body temperature and skin health. Adult elephants may drink up to 50 gallons, 190 liters, of water a day. They also use water for bathing, which helps remove dirt and parasites. In addition, elephants love to splash and roll in mud, which acts as a natural sunscreen and insect repellent. Without regular access to water sources like rivers, lakes, or waterholes, dehydration and heat stress can occur quickly. Elephants are highly social animals. They live in herds led by a matriarch, the oldest and often most experienced female. These herds consist mainly of related females and their calves, while males tend to live alone or in bachelor groups after maturity. Social interaction is critical for survival because it helps protect calves from predators, teaches young elephants important skills like finding water and food, reduces stress through companionship and bonding, allows cooperation in navigating long migrations. Orphaned elephants, without the guidance of older members, often struggle to thrive in the wild. Elephants are not stationary animals. They can travel dozens of miles a day in search of food and water. Seasonal migration is essential for survival, especially in regions with dry and wet seasons. This means they require large areas of land. When humans build roads, fences, or farms in their paths, elephants can become trapped in smaller zones, leading to overgrazing, conflict, and starvation. Unfortunately, one of the biggest dangers elephants face is human activity, particularly poaching for ivory. Without protection from law enforcement, anti-poaching patrols, and community engagement programs, their populations can decline rapidly. Conservation measures like wildlife corridors, protected reserves, and education about the importance of elephants are critical to their survival. Elephants need healthy bodies to survive. In the wild, injuries or diseases can be fatal without human intervention. Captive elephants require veterinary care, proper diets, and enrichment to maintain their mental and physical well-being. Even in nature, their survival is tied to environmental health. Polluted water, invasive plant species, and reduced biodiversity can impact the quality of their food and water. For elephants to survive, they need space, food, water, safety, and social bonds. These needs are deeply interconnected. If one is missing, the rest can quickly collapse. A shrinking habitat means less food and water, which leads to malnutrition and weakened social groups. Protecting elephants means protecting the ecosystems they rely on. By ensuring they have enough resources, space to roam, and safety from human threats, we give these magnificent animals a fighting chance to continue roaming our planet for generations to come.